Hi friends, I will now explain about the income tax regime module. A new income tax regime has been introduced in the budget 2020 in which individuals can choose between the old and the new regime as per their choice. So, in order to enable this facility for you, we have included this module in the ESS portal. In the dashboard of ESS portal, click on the option Choose your tax regime. Please note that by default in the portal, the tax regime choice will be set to the existing tax regime. Here, you can opt for the required tax regime by clicking whichever option you prefer, either the existing tax regime or the new tax regime. Once you click on the option and click confirm button, your choice will be saved and you will get an email notification of the same. You will be able to change between both the regimes any number of times, and every time you will receive email confirmation of your selection. But you cannot change the option that you have selected once the portal is closed. And if no tax regime is selected, then the default option will be set to existing tax regime. This link can be used to check for yourself which of the two tax regimes will be beneficial to you. This column, existing tax regime, will have values of your tax computation report. You can enter the corresponding values in these editable fields and check the taxable values in the existing and the new tax regime and then arrive at a decision. Besides, it is always a best option to consult a tax professional or a CA to decide upon this. You can make use of this frequently asked questions link to get a better understanding of the basics of the new and the old tax regime. Now you can see that I cannot select this option after the portal window is closed. So please exercise your choice thoroughly before making the selection and also make sure that you have made your right selection before the window is closed. Thank you.